Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at a token which have already 455% plus in profits and not even a one-day full listed on CoinGecko. And before we look at this token, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comment what you think about this project. And this project called SuperRare. You can buy this token on Ethereum blockchain, on Uniswap or on Paraswap 5 hours ago, listed on that exchange. So let's have a look. What is SuperRare? SuperRare is buy and sell NFTs from the world's top artists. What is SuperRare? So it's another platform for NFTs. And what makes this different? Let's have a look. We have here NFTs for buying and selling. So it looks quite nice because look, in past people buy paintings, and now we have more and more I want to say digital artists, right? They make a lot of nice pictures and much creative. They much effort they put inside this pictures, right? But it was not much popular, so people cannot sell it very good or to a good price, or but these platforms give them a space to run their business art, whatever. They have here a nice place to offer their creative selection, and it looks like some kind of a little bit social media style here, right? When we look on the market, it looks like we have already something on the market. Yeah, that's right. And this is their currency. I think one SuperRare now $2, right? Or it runs on Ethereum. I think it runs on ETH, maybe 5 ETH, 6 ETH. I'm not sure about that. Please help me, folks, if you know more about the meaning of the currency. 2 ETH, it doesn't make sense for me. So if you 2 ETH, $670, so it doesn't make any sense for me. This currency, you can see here a little bit, $670 here, they write $0. So I don't get it right now, the prices, right? But if I see like this here, this is a stone, and into that stone it's an USB inside, so it looks quite nice, I think. And I mean, give them a little bit space, the creators. There's a lot going on in people's brain, people's mind, and if someone have the skills to bring it on the screen, right, or make a nice moving NFT or this kind of stuff here, art creators, I mean, why not, right? Why not? And even this thing here, just some copy paste thing, but maybe one guy like it and want to spend his money for it. So why not give people space to sell their ideas? I like that, and I think NFT marketplaces will have a future. But right now we have to look which will be the first, the best, or whatever on the market, right? And Rare is a place, it have a nice name. SuperRare is a good name for an NFT marketplace, in my opinion. And the SuperRare curation token, we are putting the future of SuperRare and the power of curation directly into the hands of our stellar community. With Rare, you have influence over the diversification of our thriving global art ecosystem form, the secrets of Soho to the hidden realms of the metaverse. Welcome to SuperRare 2.0. Read the announcement. SuperRare DAO. Okay, you can read these things by yourself. I don't want to get bored now. And for sure, they have a community. Let's have a look here on Telegram. They have 200 online. Right now, 1,300 members. But that's not all. I saw a channel which is over, if I look now, SuperRare official, we have 12,300 members. So they have a channel and they have a group, and here on Twitter they have 124,000 followers. I'm not quite sure these followers are real or not. I don't know, but I know one thing. They have here also on Reddit with 2,002 members. I know one thing, that NFT has a market, and right now it's just to find out which marketplace is the best for your NFT. And I think everyone have his own rights to find it out, and everyone can spend his money on a project what he think about this project. He feels good, you spend money. You feel not good about this project, you let it be, right? So what I think, SuperRare had a big pump. Maybe we will see here a drawdown a little bit, right? A dip. And maybe we will have a 10x for sure in the next 1-2 weeks. I mean, why not? If people spend that much attention right now, why they shouldn't spend more attention in the future? And you can see here 24-hour trading volume. We have a 75 million US dollars, say CoinGecko. So why this project shouldn't have a future? I cannot say anything bad about it right now. I just can say, people, try it out. Find your way into SuperRare. Maybe you become a seller, or maybe you become a buyer, right? Why not? And maybe you can tell me also into the comments down below what you really think about SuperRare. Is it just another marketplace for NFTs, or it is more than just an NFT marketplace? And if you see here, we have already a rank of 217 on CoinGecko. So that means this thing have a future, right? They have a lot of attention. So let me know what you think. Please leave me a like and subscribe this channel. It will help a lot to go forward and push it forward. And until next video, I will say, have a nice day. Have some big profits I wish for you guys. And see you later, alligator. Bye.